How to make Instagram Reels video slow or fast motion on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make slow motion or fast motion Instagram Reels. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here basically it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to your Play Store first of all, and then here after going to Play Store you just need to update your Instagram. So after updating your Instagram, what you need to do, I'm gonna show you to make this slow or fast motion on the video, on the reels video. Like for you can start with the slow motion and end with the fast motion, or you can start with the fast motion or end with a slow motion, or you can give slow motion on the middle part of a video. So to make this, I have got lots of DMs and I have got the comment on my Instagram, on my YouTube videos. So for this I'm going to make the video and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let me just open my official Instagram, and then after opening my official Instagram, so let me just get inside my official Instagram account here. So you can see here, this is my official Instagram account. So let me just get inside the let me just click on this profile icon on the bottom right corner and click on this plus icon on the top to go inside the reels. So now here you have to click on reels option here. So after clicking to this reels option, let me just show you how you can go for slow motion and fast motion. So let me just show you here. So let me just shoot the video starting from slow motion. So if you want to go for slow motion, you just need to click on, let me just show you, you have to click on this 1x, simply tap on 1x, and then here to go for slow motion, here you can see these are the slow motion features. You can see here these are the slow motions features, and these two is speed motion, fast motion. So if you want to go for slow motion, just let me just click to 3x, and then you can see here uh, click the slow motions. And now if you want to go for fast motion, just cut this and go for this 3, downside 3. Make sure this downside 3, you can see here, this is the one, simply tap here. Okay, so here let me just show you once again. And if you wanna go for again slow-mo, then just let me just go for this 5, simply click on this 5, and then if you wanna go for normal mode, then click on this 1x. This is normal one. So here it's done. So if you want to add your song also, you can add, or if you want to go for anything, it's okay. So let me just show you, it's on in processing it's on loading process. So before that, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So just wait for a second. So as you can see here, slow motion, and in middle there will be a fast motion. You can see here. Okay, this is the speed motion. You can see here fast motion, and again slow mo, and then again normal mode. So in this way you can shoot the video, and also if you like the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.